Now, in 2 days, just 2 days, the federal eviction moratorium expires. That was the moratorium established by the CARES Act, and millions of renters will be at risk of losing the roof over their head. In fact, 22 million households report not having the ability to pay next month's rent, and millions will be faced with evictions for past months' missed payments unless Congress acts. This is a potential catastrophe. But after months of waiting, Senate Republicans can't even agree on a plan. They're in total disarray, in conflict with each other and the administration on a path forward. One of the priorities Republicans do seem to agree on is what Leader McConnell has been clamoring about for weeks, that protecting corporations is their #1 priority. 1 in 5 renters face an eviction, and McConnell can't stop talking about the pandemic of lawsuits. We're having a looming eviction crisis, and by all accounts, Republicans are preparing a bill that won't keep families in their homes.
We are just days away from a housing crisis that could be prevented if Mitch McConnell stops stalling and the Senate acts. This is about our health, our economy, and our values. Forcing thousands of people out of their homes during a pandemic will make a public health crisis worse. Widespread housing disruptions will also affect essential workers and others who are keeping our economy going. And a wave of evictions will hit communities of color the hardest, further deepening racial inequities in our nation. Experts are predicting an avalanche of evictions if we don't institute new protections. We are already seeing a rise in evictions in cities where local eviction bans have lapsed. This is a crisis we can avoid. Instead of further delay and denial, the Senate can step up now and prevent this catastrophe before millions of people are forced out of their homes.